So, is your computer getting slow day by day? So in this video, we'll be showing you how to make your Windows machine faster. You don't need any special softwares, you don't need to be tech savvy. This is the simple things that you can do. You can press Control Shift Escape to open your taskbar, which I have done, and the other option is you can right click on your taskbar, and that will also do the same thing in case you don't want to learn the shortcuts for the Windows key to open the task manager. So what you should be looking at is CPU memory, what app is actually using too much of it. You can just click on the tab, whichever column you see has the most amount of memory utilization, storage, processing network, disk utilization, or CPU utilization. So in that way you'd be able to see. So we would be concerned about machines that apps that use 70, 80 or 100% of CPU. Other things that are common between having slow machines are having too many web browser tabs open, having game launchers running in the background, random apps you don't know that you installed that's running in the background. It's a common thing. So in the startup apps, you can disable them. Because this is a sandbox, I do not have any apps. So what you won't wanna disable at startup would be the your normal machine apart from your antivirus. So here we're just looking at clearing history. So clearing history is also a factor of having a slow machine. So this is kind of something that people don't tell you about, is a common issue. You'd see you have storage, you have everything is correct, but you don't have the machine is running slow. So that's kind of a common thing that I've learned along the journey. So what have I done now? Right clicked on system, and in system we've going to click on advanced settings. So yes, and then there we're just gonna click on performance and performance settings in the advanced tab, and then we're gonna click on adjust to best performance, and then Windows tells you that all of the check boxes that were checked you didn't actually need, and for the best performance they need to be unchecked, which is kind of weird in a way that you can see. It's like Windows recommends that for better performance, but they have it enabled by default, so kind of a weird thing. So just checking to make sure that I don't have an antivirus on my sandbox, but you shouldn't have your antivirus deleted. You should make sure your antivirus is up to date. Even if you just have the Windows Defender, make sure it's up to date. You're not going to any sites that have too many pop-ups or anything like that, or downloading uh, um, those cracked software. So in this we're just going to open up the disk cleanup. So we just script Windows key and then clean mgr. The other way is you can search disk cleanup and click on it, and here I'm just clicking upon the settings of cleaning up. So here, why do we use this? So this can help you get rid of error files as well as uploads that are there. You would have other cleanup file options as well when you have updates. So this is just a sandbox that I've just spun off. I haven't done much on this, so you don't see a lot of issues of things there. So this would clean up all the junk. So you don't actually need tools like CC Cleaner and other stuff. You could use them, but over the years they have just become redundant. Yeah, as you can see, I have enough space. Making sure that you have enough space. Make sure, yeah, that the blue indicator shows you that you have plenty of space. Make sure you have at least 10 more than 20 GB of space in your drives, just for better performance. Some apps require you to have that. As well as you can go to your control panel and check and remove applications that's running in the background. You can also um, go into the settings of the apps and see if there are apps that are running in the background in the Windows app settings. So yeah, there are some things that you can do. Yeah, there's some other issues that can happen as well, such as corrupt files. You might need to repair, reformat your machine for Windows, failing hard drives. For that, you can do an online diagnostic or do a BIOS diagnostic, which you can Google um, what the how to do this, and then you can, yeah, have conflicting software as well. So thank you for watching. Hope this helps, and you can reach out to me. Thank you.